Welcome back, my people. Welcome back to our channel. How are you all doing? I know you all are doing perfectly well. Thank you so much for returning back to watch my video. I'm so honored. I'm so grateful for the way you have been subscribing to my channel. I'm so honored. Thank you once again. Keep subscribing, keep commenting, sharing, and refer my videos to friends and families. If you have any question, comment down below. Like the video as well. So let's dive down on today's topic. We are going to discuss on the powers unripe plantain has. This is unripe plantain. We are making use of the peel. The peel. Everybody knows this. Plantain is everywhere. Eat your flesh, eat the fruit, then reserve this. But before you use it, because you are going to consume it, make sure you wash it with clean water. Wash out dirt. Fine. Who are the people that need it? If you keep watching to the end, you will receive all the informations. How are you going to prepare this? Get plenty of this. Maybe about like this. About 7 or 8 or 5. Put it in a clean pot. I'll give you. Yeah? Don't worry, I'm making me video, yeah? Go and watch a cartoon. That's my baby. Children and food. Put it in a clean pot. Boil it for 15 minutes. The water will turn to dark color. Sieve it out. Let it cool. Put it in a jar so that you can put it in the fridge and be taking it per glass cup morning and night. Now, if you know somebody that has migraine headache, migraine and headache no be mates. Migraine is that kind of headache that if it's doing the person will feel like dying. You need this tea, peel plantain tea. Do it as I have described it. Boil it to 15 minutes, sieve out the water and drink. The migraine will vanish instantly. Don't just watch, put it to practice. If you know anyone that always has headache, migraine all the time, migraine, help the person with this. That is the end of the story. Another person that needs this tea is somebody that is suffering from diabetes, high sugar level in the blood, diabetes. Let diabetes patients drink this tea morning and night for 1 month. Let him or her go back to hospital and do checkup. He will be smiling home. The whole sugar will just come down to normal. Another people that needs this tea in this pattern is most women always experience excessive bleeding. Most of them has fibroid in their womb, in their stomach. You know, when a woman has fibroid, during the monthly flow, the bleeding, go and ask questions. The bleeding of the monthly flow will pump excessively. If you bleed 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, start drinking this, because that excess blood will make you to run shortage. You will experience shortage of blood. And when women are also experiencing normal pregnancy miscarriage bleeding, let the person drink this. The bleeding will quench with the tea of this plantain. It's a secret. You don't need to start rushing hospital. Just anywhere, any corner, get plantain. Boil the peel. I'm talking about the peel. Boil it and drink. But before you drink, let it cool down in a way that you can consume it, in a way that you're comfortable drinking it. Cook and let it cool. You drink it, 1 glass in the morning, 1 glass in the night. Another people that need is this: the tea stops fever, pain, anything pain. It stops pain. It minimizes pain. And in another form you prepare this is stomach related issues. People that has ulcer and stomach problem. There's some people their problem is just stomach. My stomach is paining me. My stomach is paining me. I'm having stomach disorder. This paining. And people with ulcer. How will you do this? Get the peel like this, fresh like this, wash it, cut it in chunks, get like 10 pieces of this, cut it in chunks, soak it in a bowl that has cover, soak it for 3 days, let it ferment. Start drinking the water. You will drink it for 7 days. Your stomach, your ulcer and the stomach issues will vanish. In another way, one can make use of this. Women, people with stretch mark, you will see women here. People with stretch mark. There are some people that have uncontrollable stretch mark. This thing will be your remedy. Get this thing like this, sun dry it, let it dry. Put it in the sun to dry. You know how the quantity you get. But the most important thing for stretch mark, dry it completely. You can use oven to dry. You can use sun to dry. In any pattern you know you can dry this. In such a way that you can blend it. You can grind it to powder. Dry it. After drying this, get original shea butter. Scoop out, get a container, scoop out shea butter, get the powdered unripe plantain that you have prepared, mix it with the shea butter and start applying it to the stretch mark. Morning and night, you will see wonders. Even there are so many people that when you ask them, they say, I'm not doing anything, I don't have money to do business. This is a business idea that I'm giving you. Do it and sell. You will see that you make money from this. Go and meet people that have eaten it. If you don't have money to buy a bunch of plantain, go and meet people. Tell your neighbors, your friends that when they eat plantain, let them reserve it for you. Pick it, gather it. Sun dry it. In any pattern you know you can dry it. Dry it, grind it to powder and put in a container, airtight container. Get shea butter, mix it together and apply to stretch mark. It will fade the stretch mark away. And another pattern to use unripe plantain, the fruit itself, the unripe plantain, the fruit itself. Get it, blend it, don't dry. Blend the fruit, unripe plantain itself, blend it. If you see somebody that has bruises, injury, maybe somebody fell down or has accident and has bruises, that blood is coming out, take the blended plantain, paste on the injury area. The blood will stop. It will cease immediately and the injury will fast in healing. And if somebody, children, maybe you have children in the house, somebody pours hot water on his or her body accidentally, take the same paste and put there. When hot water pours somebody, before a little period, that place will swollen and has water inside. And when the water bursts, the place will peel off and start turning to white, irritating. Immediately the person experiences hot water poured on the skin, blend the unripe plantain, the fresh unripe plantain. When you put little water so it will be paste, it will be like paste. Immediately place it on that hot water the place, the affected place, affected area where the hot water hurt the person. Place it there. Even the thing will just dry off. Nothing like swollen off, nothing like peeling the skin. Give it a try and come back and comment. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful to have you all by my side. Let me go and see my baby. She's very hungry now. I'm so grateful. Thank you.